My name is Glenn Schweitzer and I'm the president of Regal Renovations, and I'm super excited about the next project that we're doing for the Holsers here in Virginia Beach. This is going to be a complete renovation from top to bottom of a house that started out as a horse barn in 1975. It was remodeled and renovated in 2001, but we're going to do some serious upgrades to this today, including the kitchen, structural beams, adding an elevator, and doing all kinds of things throughout the home and the exterior. So follow me and I'll show you a little bit more about each of the phases of the project that we're going to be doing. One of the first things that we're going to be doing is taking apart this kitchen. As amazing as it already is, we're going to be completely remodeling the kitchen from top to bottom. The island's going to stay, but the countertops are going to go. All of the cabinets and all of the countertops are going to be brand new with an amazing package that we're actually getting from Hudson's Luxury Boutique here in Virginia Beach. This is going to be an awesome part of the home, and we're really excited to see and to show you how it's going to turn out. One of the other early phases of renovation that we're going to be doing are going to be eliminating these guys. As beautiful as they are, they take up space, and creating a complete open concept is super important to these guys. So we want to put a steel beam all the way through. After we demo this, take it down, we're going to eliminate the two posts that are in the middle of the room so they have a completely open concept floor plan, and then we're going to take the material, because it's so awesome, we're going to trim it, cut it, and reclad the steel beam with the same material, so it's going to look just as amazing as it does now, although it's going to be completely structurally sound and completely wide open throughout the entire space. Continuing on with the open concept feel for the house, we're going to eliminate this big bulky staircase, and what looks like a closet right underneath the staircase is actually going to convert to the elevator machine room. The stairs are going to continue on in the same path that they do, but instead of turning the corner at the landing, they're going to continue on just in a straight line to give that open feel that the owners have desired. While the original owners may have served you up a drink while entertaining in this space, we're going to completely eliminate this, and this is going to be the opening to the elevator. This is going to be an exciting part of the renovation, although we're losing some of the more decorative features and more eclectic items that are still in the home. While the kids may have enjoyed a little ping pong right here in this space, what's right behind me is going to turn into the library fireplace. This is going to be an amazing new gas fireplace and an awesome space filled with built-ins, bookshelves, and just a really calm and relaxing feeling of home. At the other end of the library, this is going to be Derek's office just on the other side of this wall. You may not be able to picture it now, but they're going to have a really nice barn door style sliding door system with a couple of doors that they picked up at an antique shop in downtown Norfolk. Just on the other side of the guest suite wall, facing the library, are going to be a couple of really nice built-in bookshelves. And just on the other side of the bookshelf, integrated in to keep with the continuity of the space, is going to be a hidden door into the guest suite. I'm super excited about that. It's something that is going to really make the space pop. For those with limited mobility access, we're going to be raising the elevation of the floor so that we have one continuous plane. Everything that you see right here right now will all be on one level. It's all going to be tied into the existing hardwood, which is going to be refinished to a beautiful dark color with an amazing sheen. The stairs will come down and will line up right next to the elevator, and the elevator will finish right here, finishing off the library and continuing with the great look that we have. When this barn was originally built in 1975, this was the efficiency suite that the original owners lived in. This is where they prepared all of their meals, washed their dishes, and served the meals to their family. This, however, is going away. On the back side of this space, from about here over, is going to be the back of the elevator. It's going to be completely remodeled. The floor level is going to be raised up, and this is going to be the children's playroom. I'm really excited to see the finished product of this space because it's going to be where the family really makes this house a home. Where I'm standing right now may once have been somebody's bedroom, but it's going to be the shower that's really going to help change the dynamic in this family. Their young son Lincoln has some mobility challenges, and I'm really excited to be able to provide them with a shower that has full access so that he and his family can give him the proper care that he needs. Just on the other side here will be the front entrance to the elevator, and it will bring him right into his suite. We're super excited about this, and it's going to be a great space when it's done. With setup nearly complete and dust and floor protection already in place, the next step is going to be to start the demo. We're really excited to show you how this process works from start to finish and how this renovation is going to be one of the most amazing that we've ever done and you've ever seen.
I'll delete like.
Nobody really knows why.
I'll delete like probably the regular afternoon for you guys.
Hold that.
Oh, like because it's.
We're absolutely amazed at the team at Regal Renovations, how they've just come in, been working so efficiently, ahead of schedule. When we came in and we saw not only walls down, but the framing up, and can walk through and navigate how it's going to look this soon into the project is absolutely amazing. So I'm incredibly optimistic and very excited, very glad we found Regal Renovations to be a part of this. The contractor we were using previous is a great contractor, does great work. We completely, trust him and his abilities. But it was the kind of thing where it wasn't really a fit for this house. So it was needing to bring somebody who's actually excited about working on this house. And I think he had just kind of been not motivated and dragging his feet, making things happen, because it wasn't necessarily a project he connected with, but Regal Renovations in, I think, 2 weeks' time came in, got the bid done, and had demolished and new walls going up. Like, it was incredible how quickly it went.
And because of my schedule, pretty much everything my wife is taking care of, meeting with different people, different vendors all along the way. And I think when Regal Renovations came on, her frustration level dropped from a 10 to a 0. And it was that idea that here's a team that loves what I'm doing, sees the purpose and potential in it, and is fully dedicated to being proactive. So instead of Leah having to call to check on something, they're calling, they're texting, they're sending emails with updates on a regular basis. And I know that their team picked this up after the plans were done. They didn't have input on the front end at all. And they adopted it, took it on as their own, and in a matter of a few days, I'm sure worked late night hours, because there's no way they couldn't have not done that, but they did, and produced a competitive bid, actually under what we expected to get everything that we want. So we couldn't be happier with Regal Renovations.